Hey, Jmart here. Got a fun video for today. What I'm going to be showing you is a media player that I use for my projector mapping. Just a real quick, what is projector mapping? It's fun and special effects that you can do for a holiday digital decorating. Cool website to check out is AtmosFX.com. They got fun stuff for Christmas, Halloween, just tons of fun things. You've probably even seen some of it. They got singing pumpkins where you take a projector and you take the that media and literally just put it right onto a real pumpkin and it makes the pumpkin come alive. They do window treatments, so they got cool like dancing skeletons or handprints or all sorts of different fun things that you can do in your windows. They also have some cool 3D ghost effects that they do as well. They got some illusion cloth type material that you can project on to make all of a sudden, oh, like a ghost popped up or a monster or something like that, or Santa Claus for Christmas or an elf or something like that. So they got a lot of fun, cool content that they have with it. But what I wanted to show you guys is talk about some media players. So when I first got into it, I bought this actually from AtmosFX, and they sell them on their website. They also have them on Amazon and a handful of different places like that. But it's a ViewSonic projector, and it works perfect. It's portable, has a built-in battery. It will last for about an hour or two to do like a little mini show and stuff like that. But the only thing I don't like about it is very manual. So this is where this comes into where I decided I want to automate it, and I bought this media player so I could use Alexa routines to do all the heavy lifting. And this worked perfectly for that scenario. I have a lot of smart devices around my house, so I could take some of those and apply it to this, but I really needed some sequences to power cycle the projector or start this file for this when I ran this specific show at this specific time. So I was able to do that full automation and also even take a whole nother level with routines, as in trigger props and lights. So you can kind of see where you can go with it. So that's one of the ways that I did it this year. This is another product I just came across, which is cool because it's the same thing. It's a media player, but this actually has a trigger capability built into it. So if you notice back here on the back of it, there's an input for a sensor. So you can buy some special hardware where you can have it trigger off, a click button or any of that type of stuff, some sort of sensor. But here's another product that you can tie into it, which I was like, oh yeah, that looks cool. So it's a motion sensor. So if you had a few of these projector set up in your yard and you're doing these little mini shows, you can have it triggered as people walk through your experience, and then it only comes live when it detects the motion. So that's actually really cool. I didn't know that someone had that out there. I haven't tried that out myself. Definitely would like to try it. Maybe some of you guys have actually tried it and had success with it. We'd love to hear about that. But yeah, that's the purpose of this video. I'm going to put some links to some of these things that I talked about, these products, so you can take a look at it and see if any of that's of interest to you. So I'll put that in the description of the video. And I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's hear some comments. What has worked for you guys? What are some automation stuff that you might have done for your Halloween haunts and projection shows and stuff like that? All right, guys, that's it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Love to see you guys on the next video. See ya.